Let's talk about customizing receipts with Shopify Point of Sale. Before we begin, it's important to note that this feature is only available for merchants who are subscribing to Shopify Point of Sale Pro. There is no ability to customize your receipts if you are using the free POS Lite version of Shopify Point of Sale. Okay, to set this up, we need to click on Settings under Point of Sale. And we can see here under Checkout, we've got Receipt Customization. If it's your first time editing the code of your receipts, you'll see that it'll simply load this visual editor, which is handy, but we need to access the code behind the receipts. We do this by clicking on the three dots next to printed receipts at the top of the page, and then we click Edit Code. You'll see this will bring this little pop-up just asking if we're sure, and we sure are, so we're going to click Edit Code. Now, it is possible that this will come up with a blank screen. At that point, you just need to refresh your browser window. And here we go. We can see Shopify's out-of-the-box code for the two receipts that we have access to. The sales receipt, which is the receipt that gives the customers all their information, and a gift receipt, which some merchants may offer to customers. And as you can see, a gift receipt simply omits the prices of the items. Okay, if I go back here, I now have these two options: Customize my receipt, which is where we just were, and Manage Printing Options. If I click on Manage Printing Options, it will show me that I can automatically print the sales receipt to my default printer, and I can actually choose how many of those that I would like to print. So for today, I'm just going to stick with printing one automatically. So what does this actually mean for POS Cafe? Basically, we can edit Shopify's receipt templates so that we can create order tickets for our barista or kitchen that only display POS Cafe items on them and allow products to be grouped by their prep areas for better in-store workflow. Now, the first step you'll need to complete is to decide if you'd like to replace your regular sales receipt with an order ticket or switch out the gift receipt instead. If you choose to replace the sales receipt, you are then able to automatically print your order tickets using the Customize the number of receipts at checkout setting that we just played with. And don't worry, if you choose this option, you can still provide your customers with a sales receipt if they choose by tapping the gift receipt button after checkout in Shopify Point of Sale. The second alternative is to leave your sales receipt as normal, but replace the gift receipt with an order ticket. This works the same, except your cashier will need to tap gift receipt every time you'd like an order ticket printed in Shopify Point of Sale. So now that we know the options, let's make it happen. The first thing we'll need to do is to navigate to our POS Cafe app in the Shopify admin area and click on Settings. Now we're going to click on Receipt Customizations. And this is where we make the decision if we're making the sales receipt our order ticket or our gift receipt as our order ticket. So let's do the sales receipt as order ticket first. I'm going to click on this link, and this brings up 4 pieces of code that we're going to need to paste into Shopify. If I click on this receipt customization link, you'll see that it's going to open that Shopify POS receipt customization page in a new tab or window. Now, for ease of use, I want to keep both these tabs open. I'm going to click Customize my receipts, and I'm ready to go. So if I navigate now back to my POS Cafe page, I'm going to copy this first lot of code here, and I can see that I need to paste it in the file that is receipts, salesreceipt.liquid. If I pop to the other tab, that's this one, receipts, salesreceipt.liquid. So I'm going to select all of the text in that code and delete it, and then paste my new code in here and press save. Okay, navigating back to my other tab, I'm now going to copy the second lot of code. Okay, and this goes in receipts, gift receipt.liquid. Here it is, receipts, gift receipt.liquid. Again, select all, delete, paste, and save. 2 more to go. The third one that I'm copying needs to go to sections, line items.liquid. So here's my sections, line items.liquid. Select all and delete, paste my new code in there, and press save. Now we're up to the last one, So copy, and over I go to sections, gift receipt, line items.liquid. Sections, gift receipt, line items.liquid, delete, paste, and save. So now I can see, if I click up here on receipts, my sales receipt.liquid is going to look like this. Now I can choose another order to preview it with. It prints out in sections, depending on my prep areas. It's got my order number and date, and it only includes items from that prep area that have been processed through POS Cafe. My gift receipt is now a regular sales or customer receipt that I can give to any customers that choose. Okay, if I wanted to choose the second option, which is gift receipt as order ticket, I simply do the same steps. Click on gift receipt as order ticket in my POS Cafe settings, and again, here's my 4 lots of code. So I copy the first one into sales receipt.liquid and save. The second one into gift receipt.liquid, delete the current code and paste and save. The third one goes to sections, line items.liquid, sections, line items.liquid, and save. And the last one, sections, gift receipt, line items.liquid. Delete all of that, paste, and save. And again, I want to check out my preview, so you can see my sales receipt has stayed the same, and my gift receipt is now my order ticket. Looking good. So let's check out how that looks in Shopify Point of Sale. Now, just to note, I am testing this with my order ticket as my sales receipt to print out automatically. And if my customer wants a sales receipt, I'm going to tap gift receipt so that they can get that. Okay, first I need to add my products to the cart through POS Cafe. Let's get a large coffee. 2 sugars on oat. And let's order some more. Something sweet from the cabinet. All right, and that's going to add it to my cart. So now when I check out, you can see that it's printing one receipt. That's going to be my order ticket because that's what I've set as my default receipt. Now, if my customer asks for a sales receipt, I'm just going to hit gift receipt beneath here. And that'll print out my gift receipt. Okay, if for whatever reason I needed to print either of those receipts again, I can go to orders and tap on that order, tap on receipt, and I can either hit print receipt to reprint the order ticket or gift receipt to reprint the sales receipt. Of course, if you'd set it up the other way, you'll get your sales receipt printing out as normal and you'll hit that gift receipt button to print out an order ticket. That's how we do it. That's how we customize receipts with POS Cafe. Of course, if you have any more questions or run into any trouble, please don't hesitate to reach out through our support email address. Thanks everyone.